The Ozarks are famous for its iconic landscape and weather. The hills, sunsets, sunrises, and beautiful history. All these things make up the land we know and love, but things are rapidly changing. Venus used to be a lot like Earth. It had oceans and possibly life. Since it was so close to the sun, the oceans evaporated, causing the levels of CO2 to drastically increase, throwing the climate out of whack, making a hellish version of Earth. This is what Venus looks like now, and this can happen to Earth too. Its atmosphere is full of toxic gas, and the temperature of Venus is actually hotter than Mercury, which has a temperature of 801 degrees Fahrenheit, while Venus has a temperature of 861 degrees Fahrenheit. Even though it's about 67 million miles from the sun, and Mercury is about 35 million miles from the sun. During the Progressive Era, trains were often used for transportation. Much like the Springfield power plant, these trains ran off coal, which polluted the air. They also discovered that coal could be used to make power and heat, which made it all the more popular. Although the Springfield power plant converted to steam power, it was once a power plant that used coal, which releases large amounts of CO2 into the atmosphere. The use of steam is safer and cleaner use of the Earth's resources to make power. The effects are starting to show right here in the Ozarks. There is less and less snow every year, and it seems as if every year we're making new records for the high of October or November or any other month that should not have these temperatures. It's still cold, but it's not getting as cold as quickly as it used to. The amount of snow is decreasing each year, but it's not just in the Ozarks that this is happening. I'm sure you've heard the infamous melting of the ice caps, and to be fair, it's not a lie. The caps continue to melt, parts of the Earth could be underwater as it once was. Some say that it's natural for the ice caps to be melting and the Earth to be warming up since we are coming out of the Ice Age, but what if the coming out of the Ice Age has been severely increased? What if humans are the cause of their own demise? If this is true, we must continue to use better ways of power and more eco-friendly waste products.